Welcome to Don Benito's Pickleball Cup 2026 in partnership with Centro Sports and Events. This event is made possible by our sponsors. Don Benito's, ang pambansang kasava. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Don Benito. Aroma Elegante scent for your home, events, and lifestyle.
Supremo, Filipino frozen desserts. Panglasang Pilipino, sarap na Supremo.
Masa, Pizza Pie. Ang Pizza Pie na pangmasa. May model pa. Salamat, Diana. Servando Filipino Restaurant. Taste and comfort that we deserve. With branches at Villa Elisa Anilao, Batangas and Villa Elisa, Botolan, Zambales. Toby's Premium Car Wash. Your on-call premium car wash and car care detailing. MLSC Cleaning Solution. Affordable cleaning, one in every business and one in every household. Laging Lugi Book by SRS. 14 na dahilan kung bakit parati kang lugi. Ang business book na pambata.
Villa Elisa Group of Resorts. Experience the comfort of home in breathtaking destinations. Find your ultimate escape with 5 resorts to choose from. Botolan, Zambales, Tagaytay, Bukal and Pulong Saging, Silang, Cavite, and Anilao, Mabini, Batangas.